How to replace the cabin filter on a 2013 to 2018 Ford Fusion. Only tools you'll need is a 7mm socket. And what you first want to do, open the glove box. Now it's not like your ordinary other cars where you can just get back in this glove box here and get it. You actually have to take the whole glove box out to get to where the cabin filter's at. And what you want to do is go ahead and pull off this trim panel here. Just held on by some clips. Just give it kind of a good firm pull onto it. Mine came off a lot easier because I've already taken it off. But there's the clips. So you want to try prying right where the clips are at. So you got one here, here, here. And you got one on the side over here. Not really like a clip, but just kind of locks into place. You move that. And you'll have total of four 7mm bolts. You got one here, here. Close the glove box. If you look underneath of it, mine's probably missing. Nope, you got one right here. And if you're going towards the driver's side, you'll have one right, let's see if I can find it with the camera. One right here, but it is missing. So there's going to be a bolt right back here, and a bolt right back here, and you got the two up here. So you want to go ahead and remove those four 7mm bolts. Alright, what else you need to do? We got about this fella here. You want to just pull this out. Might have to have the glove box open for that. This is also held on by clips. You can just take one hand to it. Give it a good firm pull. There are the clips that's attached to. One clip goes there. Another clip here. And here. And here. And also down there, that's where the clips are at. After you do that, you can have the glove box closed if you want. Glove box is held on by some clips also. Two on the other side too that you won't be able to see. So what you want to do is just kind of pull towards you. And don't pull out too far because you are connected to the glove box wiring. Now to disconnect that, you'll have a tab right there where my finger's at. Push that in and unplug. There's the tab. Push that in, then unplug. And out goes the glove box. Now here's where your cabin filter is going to be at. You do have a Phillips head screw that you do want to remove. One here, one over here that you want to unscrew. After you get those two screw sets, you'll have some tabs where you can pry onto and pull. One here and one right here. So you can just go pull downwards. That's all it does. Then you can go ahead, reach in, grab the filter, and pull it out. Then out goes the filter. If you replace them with the same one, same type, be on the lookout for that airflow where an arrow is. If it shows up, you want it facing up. If it shows airflow down, you want to make sure that arrow is facing down because the blower motor is sucking in the air, so the airflow goes downwards. I am using this K&N air filter. Here's what the filter looks like. You can only install it in one way, which is with the pull tab facing outwards. So I don't think it actually matters which way you got it facing, but as long as the pull tab is facing towards you, so you can pull it out in the future. All I gotta do is just slide it in. Make sure it's in all the way. If it doesn't go in this smoothly, pull it out and check it. Make sure that you're not caught on something. Mine went in there nice and smooth. Like I said, the pull tab needs to face towards you so you can pull it out when you need to go and clean it. So here's basically the same thing what I just showed in the video. You gotta pull the cover off, the air vents. You got the two top bolts and you got the two bottom bolts. Then you got the screws, the Phillips head screws. You open it up, then you can install the filter. So that's just a little instruction sheet on how to do it. After you get that in, make sure you close this door. The package also does come with little stickers if you want to add it into there. There's really no room for here to add it onto. I'm not really too worried about the stickers. So after you get your screw in place, you can go ahead and put your glove box back into place. Don't forget your connector that you have to plug in the glove box light. Now on here you do have a alignment tab, one here and one right there, but you want to make sure that your clips are all in place. You can go ahead and give it a good firm push on both sides. You can check underneath, make sure that your holes are lined up, because I've had that problem. See if I can show you on this side here. We are lined up. Now after that, you can go ahead and put your 4 screws back into place, put your trim panel back on the side piece, and you're all good to go. So that's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2013 to 2018 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching.